Hello friends, welcome to VDH Academy, and here in this section we are going to deal with an example under the concept trigonometric equations. So this is our given example and the condition, that is x is not equal to 0 in the interval minus pi to pi. So we can represent this as minus pi is less than x less than pi, where x is not equal to 0. And now let us try to solve the given equation. So as the bases are different, let us try to equate the bases first. So on the RHS side we have 4 cube, and 4 cube value is nothing but 64, which can also be written as 8 square. So the equation would become 8 to the power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus cos cube x plus so on is equal to 4 cube, which in turn we can write in the form of 8 square. So here bases are equal, then the powers are to be equated. So using this concept, let us equate the powers. So we get 1 plus cos x plus cos square x plus so on is equal to 2. And now let us try to simplify these terms on the LHS side, which are in geometric progression. So according to the concept of geometric progression, we get the common ratio r is equal to cos x. And the series, which is a plus ar square plus so on, are said to be in geometric progression, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So for such series, the formula to find sum to infinity will be equal to a by 1 minus r. So as a is the first term, and here in this series we have 1, so we can say that a is equal to 1 and the value of r is cos x. So by using this formula and substituting the values of r and a, we get 1 by 1 minus r, which is cos x, is equal to 2. And now here by interchanging, we get 1 minus cos x is equal to 1 by 2. And then by transferring 1 or by transferring cos x to the right hand side, we get the same value, which is cos x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which in turn becomes 2 minus 1, which is 1 divided by 2. So the value of cos x is 1 by 2. So we can write this as cos x is equal to cos pi by 3, as the value of cos pi by 3 is also 1 by 2. And then assuming pi by 3 as alpha, we get the equation as cos x equal to cos alpha, and we can use the formula x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, which is pi by 3, where n belongs to integers. So this is the solution to find the values of x. So from this solution, we get a solution like x equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3. So now let us name this as equation 1. And then substituting different values of n, we get the values of x. So first let us begin with n is equal to minus 1. Then we get x equal to minus 2 pi plus pi by 3. And here by simplifying, we get minus 3 into 2 pi, which will be minus 6 pi plus 1. In turn, we get minus 5 pi by 3. And this is not a solution, as it does not lie between the interval minus pi to pi. And now let us substitute the value of n as 0. So we get x equal to pi by 3. And pi by 3 is the solution, as it lies between minus pi comma pi. And now let us proceed and substitute n equal to 1. If we substitute n equal to 1, we get 2 pi plus pi by 3. So that implies we get 6 pi plus 1, which is 7 pi divided by 3. And this is not the value for x. And from this equation, we get one more solution, such as x equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3. So let us name this as equation 2. And substituting the value of n as minus 1, we get minus 2 pi minus pi by 3. So that implies we get minus 7 pi by 3. And this is not solution, as it does not lie between minus pi comma pi. And then substituting n equal to 0, we get x equal to minus pi by 3. And minus pi by 3 lies between minus pi comma pi. So this is the value of x. And now let us substitute the value of n as 1. So we get x equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3. So that implies here by taking LCM and then subtracting, we get 5 pi by 3 and it is not the value of x, as it does not lie between minus pi comma pi. So at last we can conclude that the value of x is equal to pi by 3 and the value of x equal to minus pi by 3 are the solution for this equation. So therefore the solution set is minus pi by 3 comma pi by 3. So this is how we use different formulas to get the solutions of various trigonometric equations. For more clarity, visit our website VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.